Good morning, children. Today I'm going to teach you the article. You know very well about articles because class first onwards you are learning the articles. In English, there are three articles a, an, and the. They are used before nouns. Now, let's see kinds of articles. Articles are classified under two parts. First one, definite article. Second one, indefinite article. Definite article. The. The is a definite article. It is used whenever we speak of some particular person or thing. For example, the moon, the Himalayas. Second one, indefinite articles. So here a and an are indefinite articles. They are used when we do not speak of any particular person or thing. For example, first one, I saw a dog in the garden. So here we used indefinite article a. So here we are mentioning any dog. I saw a dog in the garden means any dog. Second one, I saw the dog in the garden means some particular dog. So here we used definite article. Now let's see use of indefinite article. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a box, a cat, a chair, a ball. So these are all indefinite article means before consonant sound we have to use. Next one, an. You know very well where we have to use an. Yes, exactly. We have to use the word an before vowel. We use an before the words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an egg, an apple, an ant, and heart. Next, let's see about definite article where we have to use definite article. The definite article the is used before the names of rivers, mountain, historical monuments and sacred books. So before name of these names we have to use definite article means the. When we write about a noun for the first time, we use a or an before it. But when we speak of it again, we use the. Next one, omission of the article. The article is omitted. So where we have to omit? Before names of substances, abstract nouns, proper nouns, languages, meals and relations. So here we should omit article. For example, name of substances means, for example, gold is a precious metal. For abstract noun, wisdom is the gift of heaven. Proper nouns, India is a great country. And before languages, we are studying English. Hindi is our national language. Then meals. I told you before meals. Dinner is ready. At what time do you have your lunch? Then finally I told, before the names of relations we should omit article. For example, father has returned and and wants you to see her. Once again I will explain you. The words a, or, and the are called articles. They come before nouns. The is the indefinite article. A and an are indefinite articles. I hope you all understand the chapter of the articles. Thank you.